LONKING CDM Series skid steer loader, equipped with international first-line brand engines and hydraulic parts, strong power, reliable performance. Ensure the machine efficient, stable, longer life. The control system is driven by connecting rod. The operation is gentle and not affected by temperature and oil cleanliness. The integral frame structure is light and sturdy. The International Quick Change device and hydraulic joint facilitate the quick change of fittings. Flexible steering with little steering space.